Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, one of the most highly anticipated smartphones of the year. In this review, we'll be going over all the new features and improvements, as well as my personal experience using the device. So, let's get started. Design and build quality. First up, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. The phone features a back plastic, which gives it a premium look and feel. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G has a 6.6 inches, 16.76 centimeters and 1080 by 2408 pixels display that looks absolutely stunning. The phone also has a triple camera setup on the back, which is placed backside and doesn't protrude much from the phone's body. Overall, the design and build quality of the phone are top-notch. Performance. Moving on to performance, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is powered by the latest Samsung Exynos 1330, which provides lightning-fast performance. The phone also has 4GB RAM and 4GB virtual of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is plenty of space for all your apps and files. 1TB expanded storage. This phone also runs on the latest version of Android 13, which provides a smooth and responsive user experience. Camera. One of the most important aspects of any Samsung Galaxy A14 5G smartphone is its camera performance. That does not disappoint in this regard. The triple cameras on the back of the phone take amazing photos and videos in various lighting conditions. The phone's camera also features rear camera 50MP plus 2MP plus 2MP, and front camera 13MP, which add to the overall quality of the pictures and videos. Battery life. Next up, let's talk about the phone's battery life. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G has a 5000 mAh battery, which provides 13 hours of battery life on a single charge. The phone also features fast 15W fast charging, which allows for fast charging and keeps the battery healthy over time. Conclusion. So, after using the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G for a few weeks, what are my overall thoughts? Well, I have to say that this phone is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new smartphone. The design and build quality are top-notch, the performance is lightning fast, the camera takes amazing photos and videos, and the battery life is more than enough for a day's use. So, that's it for this review. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G and if you're considering purchasing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.